In the vast expanse of the cosmos, stars twinkle like distant lighthouses, each one a story waiting to be told. But how do we, here on Earth, unlock these celestial secrets? The answer might be closer than you think. Welcome to the intersection of the internet and astronomy, where technology is powering our exploration of the universe. Today, astronomers around the world are harnessing the power of the internet to share data, collaborate on research, and even control telescopes thousands of miles away. With internet technology, telescopes can now be operated remotely, allowing us to observe the cosmos without the limitations of geographical boundaries. The internet also enables the sharing and analysis of astronomical data on an unprecedented scale. This collaborative approach is accelerating our understanding of the universe. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the stars are not just distant points of light. They're part of a cosmic story that we're all connected to, thanks to the power of the internet. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of astronomy. Until next time, keep looking up.